So I'm going to show you how to get on to Schoology Conference. So there are two Schoologies on your iPad, the app and the website. You're going to want to click on the website. So it's going to make you type in your username and password, but I'm already in, so I don't have to. So when you go to courses, you're going to click on whatever course you're doing yours in. Mine's in homeroom. Okay, so then I'm going to click on conferences on the sidebar where there's materials, updates, grade, mastery, and conferences. So to get into the conference, you can't just click on the side, you have to click on the title. So now it's going to cut off my audio, so I won't be able to talk to anyone, but you're going to want to join with the microphone, because if you only do listen only, then you cannot, you can't talk. So then you're just going to click on microphone and then you'll be in there and you can learn all the features later and you can unmute yourself and turn on your videos. So it's going to cut me off from talking now, so I'm just going to show you.